an exquisite 5-bedroom hilltop mansion on 16 private acres. With meticulous amenities and modern luxuries, this estate provides the comforts of home coupled with all-world luxury. The first floor master is the jewel of the home with custom closets, fireplace, laundry and hardwood floors. An adjoining master bath has a full-body shower, steam shower, radiant heat and a spa tub. The open-concept living room has full-length windows, fireplace and eating area. The expansive kitchen is highlighted with 3 large islands, a wolf range, butler, pantry and a prep kitchen. A dining room, office and family room round out the first floor, all with oversized windows, cove lighting, wainscoting and architectural doors. Upstairs is a second family room and 4 ensuite bedroom, plus an in-law Paire suite with its own entrance from the heated 4-car garage. A finished basement, pool and spacious outdoor